This is a video to introduce how to write the characters for seasons and the last set of clothing in the Chinese Made Easy 2, Lesson 2. So there's two radicals we need to know before we learn the characters for seasons. The first is ice, the two drops, similar to the 3 drops of water. We've seen this before in 冰箱, 冰淇淋, and now we're going to see it in a bunch of words related with cold, like 冷 for cold, 凉快 for cool, and 冬天 for winter. We also need to see this go slowly radical. It's the same as hand with a stick, which we've seen before in characters like 做, do. But it looks like someone carrying an extremely heavy backpack, which forces them to go slowly. Or it kind of looks like an hourglass, which drips out time slowly. So the first character you have to practice for the seasons unit is chang, which means often. And it has the towel radical, and it kind of looks like someone who's just come out of the shower with crazy hair, because you often shower. The next character you have to trace is chun, in chun tian for spring. And the way I remember it, and this isn't the true story, but the way I remember it is you have the sun rising higher and higher in the sky every day in spring. The next character you have to trace is xia, tian. And you'll notice the xia on the top has what is a picture of a hand over the eye radical, because you shade your eyes from the bright light in summer. And then it has the go slowly radical, because in summer it's so hot you have to go slowly. And then the last season to trace is qiu tian, or the second to last, qiu tian. Qiu means fall, and it combines the grain radical with the fire radical, because that was the season when farmers would burn all the husks left over from the grain harvest. You can also remember it that the trees all turned colors of fire in the fall. The last character to trace is dong tian for winter, and it combines the go slowly character with the ice radical, because you need to go slowly or else you'll slip on the ice. In addition to those characters, you should also practice some of the clothing characters for the last set of clothes you learned. The first is bei xin for vest. Memorize the character bei, which means back, like your back. And it combines bei, the north, like in Beijing. That's the phonetic component. And then it has the body radical underneath to tell us that it's a body part. It's your back. And then the last character is 'T 恤衫, the 续 in 'T 恤衫. We already learned shan from shirt, and T is the letter T. 续 is just for the sound, to sound like English, 'T 恤. And it has the old character for worry, which is heart plus blood. So here's a bloody T-shirt to help you remember.